Hi, I'm Lesson Pass here from TechKiwi.com. I am presenting a quick review on CCleaner Windows application. CCleaner is a freeware system optimization, privacy, and cleaning tool. It removes unused files from your system, allowing Windows to run faster and freeing up valuable hard disk space. It also cleans traces of online activities such as your internet history. Additionally, it contains fully featured registry cleaner. But the best part is that it's fast and contains no spyware or adware. It cleans the Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, Google Chrome, Recycle Bin, recent documents, temporary files, and log files too. It has a fully featured registry cleaner, third-party application cleaner, and 100% spyware free. You can download the CCleaner from this official website, but I don't recommend doing that. You can use the filehippo.com website to download the CCleaner, and I think it's the best option. It's because you have all the versions here just a click away. And you can download the latest version by clicking this link. Click on this link to download the latest version. And you can see the download starts. And now we have downloaded the file. This is the setup file that we have downloaded from the FileHippo website. Click on it. And you can see it asks for which language you need to select. There are a variety of languages you can select from this drop down list. Click OK and the setup starts. Click next. I agree. And now you can see a variety of checkboxes here. I recommend checking all the boxes. Add desktop shortcut, add start menu shortcuts, and this is adding a run cleaner option to context menu. Context menu is a GUI or graphical user interface menu that appears in the recycle bin and automatically check for updates to CCleaner. I recommend checking them all and click the install button. And now you can see the CCleaner is installing. If we just check the space of CCleaner setup file, it's just 3.5 MB. That's really incredible. And now you can see the CCleaner setup has installed successfully. Now click the finish button to run the CCleaner. And now you can see a box appears that says whether to on or off the intelligent scan for cookies. I recommend clicking yes because this is a very good feature of CCleaner. And you can see the CCleaner starts up. On the above you can see the details of your computer, that is your OS version and your hardware components. You can clearly see that there are 4 main tabs on CCleaner, that is Cleaner, Registry, Tools and Options. Now cleaning your computer is very easy. Under the Cleaner tab, click the Analyze button to analyze your PC for any problems that arise. You can see that the analyzation is complete, and here is a list of all the problems in my computer. It says 2532 MB can be removed from my computer. Click Run Cleaner to continue. And it is asking, are you sure you wish to proceed? Click OK to continue. And now you can see that the CCleaner is cleaning my computer. And now it says the cleaning is complete and all the waste memory is now cleaned. And now the registry cleaner. Click on the registry tab and select scan for issues to scan the registry for any errors. You can see the CCleaner is checking for any registry errors. And now the analyzation is complete, and it gives a list of numerous amount of problems that has in my computer related to registry. Click fix selected issues. And now this is a very important thing, and you have to give yes, because it says to back up the changes to the registry. That is, when if something happens to your registry, you can revert it back to the old state. Click yes and click save to save the old registry file, and select fix all selected issues to fix all the registry errors that arise in your computer. And you can see all issues are fixed. Click the close button to exit. There are many other tools like uninstall tool, startup tool, system restore tool, and drive wiper tools. These are core features of the CCleaner utility. Thank you for watching a quick review on CCleaner utility. This is Leston Pasio from techivi.com signing off.